Hello, my dear students. I am so happy to see you today. Let's learn something new and exciting. Are you ready? Let's begin. Children, let's have some fun with counting. 2 apples plus 2 apples plus 2 apples, all together 6 apples. Now, how to add 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6. We can easily add numbers by using multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition of the same number. Into is a symbol for multiplication. Do you know multiplication can be used to count objects in the shops, to count the money, etc. The answer that we get after multiplying the numbers is called as product. Let's count how many 2's are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2. 3 2's are 6. Look at these packets. There are 5 pens in each packet. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 4 times 5. 4 5's are 20. Did you observe, children? We are adding same number again and again. So now we are going to add currency notes. 10 rupees, that is 5 times 10. 5 tens are 50. Children, always remember, when any number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Let us go with an example. There are 2 plates. There are no objects in these plates. So, 0 plus 0 will be 0. So, 2 zeros are 0. Today, we learn multiplication. We added numbers the faster way. Practice at home and have fun learning. See you in the next lesson.